How to post a status on WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to post a status on WhatsApp. It's actually pretty simple, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. Now hop into your WhatsApp application. From here, tap on Updates at the bottom. In here, you can see My Status. You can now tap right here. You can then choose either you'll post a text or use your camera. In my case, I will just choose to use the camera. In here, you can take a photo or just choose from your photo library. You can tap here to choose a picture from your photo gallery. Now choose then tap a photo. In here, you can add a caption. You can also edit this photo here. If you're done, tap this one. And that's it. You have posted a status. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching.